requirements. So.
Riley
30
asks,
minutes?
Eric, what are the requirements for a professional becoming GTECHNIQ accredited and becoming an installer for CSU?
Great question, Riley. So we look for, honestly, shops and people who match the brand first and foremost. Yeah. We want to make sure that the territory is available, right? We want to make sure that you've been in business and you are in good business standing, right? And honestly, that you're just a genuine good person. I know that sounds weird, but like we get a lot of applications for people and we're just like, it's just not a good fit. Yeah. Just not a good fit, maybe they say some, maybe they're super political, right? And they're very open, but like you're just looking at it like, it's not a good fit. So we just want good partners.
Well, and the goal of that is with any brand. You want to make sure that they're going to represent, they're technically going to be representing you. Mm-hmm. So you want to make sure that they're, good. And also, you don't want to have too many folks in the same space selling the same product. Flooding the market. Yeah. So it's harder for that. Makes it harder for those installers to sell.
Yeah.
So, which is something that we really take a hard look at. And I think the first step, because the question is going to come up, is at the bottom of our website and fine print right about the middle will be apply for accreditation. And all of those questions are going to be asked, right? So we actually we asked that we get pictures of the work, right? Which is always cool to see. Yeah. And then, the workspace. I don't want to say shop because some guys don't have shops, but they have access to workspaces. So we look for that, so on and so forth. And then, what other products have you used? What continuing education are you part of? You guys come up all the time, right? Mm-hmm. It'll be like, every Thursday watch, this, that, and the third. So, but easy enough.